Hey guys, so today I will be doing a collaboration with Klaudia Sydor. Her videos are amazing. I love her makeup. Like, it's kind of like my style too, so that's why I like it. She gives good tips also. So yeah, we came up with this collaboration using the Jaclyn Hill palette because we both have it. She is amazing. Go ahead and follow her and check her out. If you guys are from her channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Darlapimber, and keep on watching if you guys want to see this tutorial. And then I'm going to be using the Morphe 173 brush, and it's like a kabuki small brush. I'm just going to be buffing the concealer out. And then to set the concealer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier setting powder. For my first transition color, I will be using this one right here. This like yellow mustard color, and I'll be using the Morphe brush. This one's from the Gunmetal collection, and it doesn't say a name or anything specifically. I just know that it's from the Gunmetal collection. I'm gonna start blending it all over my crease. Then I just had to layer this color like 2 more times just so I could get that pigmentation really good. And then I am picking up this color right here, right here, and I will be putting it on my crease on top of like the orange color. So this is how I should be looking. I'm just like blending it on my eyelid right here, and you can tell that it's already getting color. And I'm gonna blend it on my eyelid right here on the outer part, and then the top part right here on my crease. Okay, so this is how it should look now. Sorry, my nose is itchy. But this is how it should look now, and I'm gonna darken it up more. So the color that I am debating is this color right here. Just like where it's gonna be like right next to the halo. And then lightly, whatever is on the brush, I'm just gonna blend on top. So I'm just packing it right here, and then packing it right here. And then whatever is on the brush, just blend on top. I'm just gonna start blending it out, whatever is on the brush. Then I'm gonna be picking up the Morphe 504 brush. This one is super fluffy, as you can tell, and I'm just gonna be picking up that yellow mustard again, and just lightly. And I'm just gonna be blending out the outer part, and then going on top, and then the inner part. All over the crease, just so everything can look super blended. Now we're gonna do the halo, and I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I will be using the Morphe 432 brush, the angle brush. And you can also do your brows, like you can carve out your brows, which this is what I use to carve them out, and I'm gonna use it to also cut the halo. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer there. It looks a little on this side, but when I flip it, there's concealer. Okay, and I will be putting it right here. So my crease, I don't know if you can see, but like where my crease is at, it's like right here. I'm gonna put it a little bit more above it so we can make that halo stand out more. And I'm just gonna put the concealer all the way down. Then I'm gonna be picking up this blue color right here. Wherever I concealed, I'm just trying to go like on it with the blue, just so I don't go out of it, and then that's creating the halo look. Okay, so once you have this, you will be darkening the area right here. Right here, so the edges on this side and this side, I will be adding this color, this dark cocoa right here, and I'll be placing it right here on the edges. I'm just kind of like pushing it right there. And then the inner part too. And then going back with this fluffy brush that has no products on it, I will be blending the top. Nothing, remember that? And I'll just be blending the top right here. And I'm just gonna push right here just so I can grab a little bit of the dark color. And then I'm just gonna go up here again. And then just gonna push right here again. To the inner part, blend up here to the outer part. And I don't know if you can tell, it looks much better now. And then just to define the blue part, I'm just gonna grab more of the blue color. And with this pencil brush, I'm just gonna apply it right on top and then the middle part, just so I can define it more. And then I'm gonna be picking up the NYX Vivid Brights. This is in the shade, the Gunmetal. So just where I applied the halo on the middle part and then on top of the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply mascara. For mascara, I will be using the Benefit Roller Lash. And then for today's lashes, I will be using the Koko in the style Queen Bee. While I wait for my lashes to dry up from the glue, I will go ahead and start doing my face, and then we will continue doing for the bottom lash line. Okay, so I have my lashes now and my face is done. I'm gonna go into details for the lash line on my bottom. I'm gonna be grabbing a pencil brush if I can find one. Ignore my boyfriend in the background. He just got here and he is saying hi to my dog. So I'm using the Morphe E18 brush. It is a small pencil brush and I'll be going with the mustard color. So not all over, but I'm going to be going on the outer part and then the inner part. I'm going to go with a smaller dense brush like this one. This little compared to this one, as you can tell. But this one is still super dense, so it's going to work perfectly. I'm just going to get a little bit and I'm just going to put it on the same areas right here. And then back with this pencil brush, I'm just going to grab a little bit of yellow again and I'm just going to keep blending it. And now I'm going to grab this blue pencil brush that I used earlier to apply the blue up here. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to be putting it right in the middle. And then now you just have to put mascara real quick. I lost the mascara that I used for my upper lashes, so I'm just going to use this one. It's still from Benefit. They're real. Okay, and then believe it or not, the highlighter that I'm using right now on my face and on my nose and all over, I'm using the e.l.f. The Prism eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. I've had this for about 2-3 years now and I just mix the white and the yellow. This is how I used to use my highlighter, and now I have like so many highlighters, and then I was kind of feeling it to use this color again. So I decided to pick it up. I got a little bit of the yellow and then a little bit of the white. I'm just going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it on my brow bone also. That is it for this look. That completes it all. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you thought this video was good, if it was very helpful. Let me know if you guys have any other requests. And if you guys go ahead, check it out. Make sure to comment down below and let her know that you're from my subscribers. If you're from her subscribers, comment down below what you guys liked about this video. Alright guys, so don't forget to check out Klaudia Sydor and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you guys haven't. Thanks for watching. No.